Are you planning a trip to Istanbul and wondering how to make your airport transfer experience smooth and hassle-free? Look no further. Here are some tips to ensure a stress-free journey from the airport to your destination in Istanbul. Pre-book your transfer. Avoid the last-minute scramble for transportation by pre-booking your airport transfer. This way, you can relax knowing that a driver will be waiting for you upon your arrival. Choose a reputable transfer company. Research and select a reliable transfer company with good reviews to ensure a safe and comfortable journey. Keep your confirmation details handy. Make sure to have your booking confirmation and driver's contact information easily accessible for a seamless transfer process. Check for any traffic alerts. Stay informed about any traffic or road closures that may affect your transfer time, allowing you to plan accordingly. Be punctual. Arrive at the designated meeting point on time to avoid any delays in your transfer. By following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free Istanbul airport transfer experience, allowing you to start your trip on the right foot.